are going to learn how to introduce a friend in German. To facilitate a little bit the learning process, I put an image here with 3 people. I gave them names, so I hope it will help you a little bit. So, if we want to introduce a friend, we say in English, this is. In German, really easy, we just say, das ist. So, let's start introducing our friend Eric, who is the guy in the middle of the picture, yeah? So, let's start saying, this is Eric in German. Das ist Erik. Noch einmal, again. Das ist Erik. Great. So we also can tell where he comes from by the phrase